Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today is October 1 and I have a Broody chicken. She's a black Brahma chicken and I want to settle some eggs under the chicken. This is the alpha rooster here. He's wonderful. He's a red Wyandotte. And here is the black Brahma Broody. And here's another chicken laying an egg. And here also my new Brahma, red Brahma chicken. She's also laying an egg. She's a new chicken. I bought it with 4 other Brahma hens and 1 rooster. He's gorgeous. And I'm happy that although they are big, they are a year and a half, but he didn't fight with the alpha rooster, just a few peckings. And now all new chickens are living together happily with the flock. Now I've settled 13 eggs. Of course, I got the eggs from my chickens in here, not from a store. Now with the last step, I've put it in here, in this crate, and I'm waiting for her to sit down. And for the first few days, for the first 1 or 2 days, I'm going to close the door on her so that she doesn't go back to the place where the other chickens lay the eggs. The first 2 days only, and then I will open the door and she will go eat and come back to this nest, not the other nest. Now, after just 5 minutes, I'm checking on it and she's sitting on the eggs. Of course, some eggs are still not very well covered, but of course, in 10 minutes, all of the eggs will be covered under this Brahma Broody. Let's wait and see. I want first to check on the Broody. Wonderful. Fantastic. Thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section.